Hello everyone, this is Justin Simmons, DKC Realty Group. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are tackling a common real estate myth, another one. So I want to get rid of this one for us. It's about FHA loans and condos. The question is, can you use an FHA loan to purchase a condo? Let's talk about it. So first, FHA stands for the Federal Housing Administration. And an FHA loan is simply a loan approved by an FHA lender that FHA insures itself, right? So you don't go to the Federal Housing Administration giving them your W-2s for pre-approval. You go to a lender that FHA has approved to give out their type of loans. Now, benefits, FHA loans, they're typically easier to get than conventional loans. Some of the big reasons why: they have a lower credit score requirement and they have more flexibility when it comes to debt to income ratios. So we have a larger pool of people that qualify for FHA loans as opposed to conventional ones. Now, why is that a big deal? Well, if you're looking to get a condo and you only qualify for FHA, or maybe it's giving you better terms, you want to make sure you can use it to buy the actual unit instead of having to go conventional, which you might not be able to do, or have to look at another type of property, namely a house. So we had this whole big confusion here about how FHA and condos work together. For about 10 years, 2009 to October 14th, 2019, before the new rules came into effect, if you wanted to use an FHA loan to buy a condo, the entire condominium project had to be approved to accept FHA loans. So if you wanted to buy one unit, if that condo had maybe 100, the whole building itself, the whole complex had to be approved for FHA just for you to buy that one unit in there. Now, October 15, 2019, just a few months ago, had a big change. The Department of Housing and Urban Development, also known as HUD, issued new guidelines. It's allowing people to do what's called single unit or spot approvals. So you don't have to worry about the whole condominium complex being approved for FHA. You can just see if the individual unit you're interested in buying can be approved for FHA. Big difference. Why do you say that? Well, as of last August 2019, we had over 150,000 condominium projects. So we're talking about the entire condominium, millions of units. Only 6.5% of them, according to HUD, were approved for FHA. So it's about 10,000 condominium projects. With the spot approval, they're estimating that about 20 to 60,000 more units each year can be approved for FHA. That's opening up options for both sellers and buyers. For sellers, you have more people who are competing for your home. You know we want the foot traffic. If we have FHA buyers, that's giving us a larger pool of people interested in our house, our condominium. On the buyer side, you have more options when it comes to condos. Now, just because FHA is allowing the spot approvals doesn't mean necessarily that the unit you're interested in buying will get approved. But at least now you have the opportunity to try. Before, if it wasn't one of those 6.5%, one of those 10,000 or so projects, couldn't use FHA at all. Now you have a chance. Your lender will, of course, work with the condo to get all the paperwork that's required to see if it's going to pass the guidelines. And of course, they'll qualify you as well to see if you're FHA eligible. But it gives you more opportunities, and it's something you should know. So, yes, you can use FHA to buy a condo. So, that's it. You have more options available to you, whether you're a seller or buyer, with the relaxed guidelines in terms of FHA and condos. Take advantage of it as you see fit. So, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. If you want more videos, there's a video popping up somewhere around here. You can check that out. There's more videos you can access in the comments and descriptions below. The hashtag is jsbxhomes. I'm all over the socials. And you can subscribe to this channel. There's a little me right there in the corner. Just click on me. You can subscribe to this channel for 3 weekly educational real estate videos. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.